The majority of the operations on the graphical user interface of sch-rnd are executed on the object under the crosshair, ignoring selections. This is called an object operation. For example, the right-click context menu is an object operation and ignores selection. Change stroke, hotkey ES, is also an object operation. It is invoked on the vertical line segment under the crosshair independently of whether the polygon and the circle are selected or not. Transformation tools selected from the toolbar, like rotate and mirror, also operate on an object and ignore selection. When an object operation is executed from the menu, there is no active crosshair, so sch-rnd has to ask for a click on an object. This is indicated in the bottom status bar of the main window. As long as nothing is selected, drag and drop editing objects, like moving the endpoint of a line, is also an object operation and ignores selection, just like grabbing a whole object for move. However, with some objects selected, drag and drop becomes move selected objects. There are a few operations that use selection instead of object under crosshair. These are typically collected in the select menu. For example, converting selected objects into a group works the same regardless of where the crosshair is at the moment the conversion is invoked using the hotkey.